Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to send stickers using shortcuts on the WhatsApp desktop app. With this new update, sending stickers has never been simpler. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. You can find it either on your desktop or by searching for it in your Applications folder. Once the app is running, log in if needed, and you're ready to go. Next, navigate to the chat where you want to send a sticker. Click on the conversation to open it. This could be a chat with a friend, family member, or even a group conversation. Now comes the exciting part. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S. This shortcut instantly opens the sticker panel within WhatsApp. No need to search for icons or tabs. This shortcut saves you time and keeps the process smooth. Once the sticker panel is open, browse through your collection of stickers. You'll see all the packs you've downloaded and can scroll through them to find the perfect sticker for your message. If you don't have any stickers yet, make sure to download some beforehand to enhance your conversations. Finally, select the sticker you want to send by clicking on it. As soon as you click, the sticker will be sent directly into the chat. It's that simple. No extra steps required. Using keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl plus Shift plus S makes sending stickers faster and more efficient, especially if you're multitasking or working on your PC. So, go ahead and add some fun and personality to your conversations with this handy feature. That's it for today's tutorial. Try these steps out and make your chats more expressive with stickers on WhatsApp desktop. Happy messaging!